You love adding cloves and cinnamon to your food and drinks for that great flavor. But imagine if this simple mix could quietly cause a serious, lasting health problem. In large amounts, like in supplements or when used heavily every day, combining these two common spices is not safe. Cloves have a strong chemical called eugenol, and certain types of cinnamon, especially the cheaper kind, cassia, have a chemical called coumarin. Both are powerful, but when you put them together, their effects become dangerous. High levels of coumarin are bad for your liver. It can actually damage it. At the same time, eugenol from cloves acts like a strong medicine that thins your blood. Subscribe to our channel now for more crucial health warnings you won't hear anywhere else. When mixed, they don't just add up, they multiply the risk. This combination puts huge stress on your liver, making it hard for your body to clean itself. It also makes your blood too thin, which dramatically increases the chance of internal bleeding that could be deadly. This is especially risky for anyone taking common medications. If you take blood thinners like warfarin or diabetes pills, this spice mix can stop your medicine from working right, leading to overdose effects, unexpected bleeding, or permanent liver damage. Before you use these spices in big doses, you need to understand this serious hidden truth. Before we dive in, let me in the comments, where are you watching from? 1. The synergistic toxicity. Coumarin and eugenol's double attack on the body. The danger in mixing high concentrations of cinnamon and cloves lies in the combined action of their primary compounds, coumarin from cassia cinnamon and eugenol from cloves. Research highlights coumarin's well-established hepatotoxicity. Studies, including those reviewed by the European Food Safety Authority, or EFSA, show that excessive intake of coumarin can cause dose-dependent liver damage, often through the depletion of glutathione, a critical antioxidant for detoxification. Simultaneously, eugenol, particularly when isolated in oils or extracts, possesses potent anticoagulant and antiplatelet properties. When these two compounds are consumed together in high doses, far exceeding typical culinary use, they create a dangerous synergy. The liver, already strained by metabolizing coumarin, is less efficient at dealing with eugenol. This combined stress not only overwhelms the body's detoxification pathways, but also dramatically intensifies blood thinning. This is not simple addition, it's multiplicative risk, where the toxicity and bleeding potential of each compound are amplified by the presence of the other. The biological consequence is a system pushed past its limits, increasing the threat of severe hepatic injury and internal hemorrhage. 2. The pharmacological collision. Spice interactions with life-saving medications. The most critical and research-supported risk involves the interference of concentrated clove and cinnamon with common pharmaceuticals, creating a high-stakes pharmacological collision. Coumarin is metabolized by the cytochrome P450 enzyme system, specifically CYP2A6 and CYP1A2 in the liver. Many essential medications, including the powerful anticoagulant warfarin and certain diabetes drugs, sulfonylureas, rely on these very same enzymes for their metabolism and clearance from the body. Studies have shown that introducing high levels of coumarin or eugenol can either inhibit or induce these enzymes unpredictably. For example, if the enzymes are inhibited, the drug cannot be broken down, leading to drug accumulation, toxic blood levels, and potential overdose effects, for example, severe hypoglycemia with diabetes drugs or life-threatening hemorrhage with warfarin. Conversely, if the enzymes are induced, the drug is metabolized too quickly, rendering the medication ineffective. This interference transforms what seems like a natural remedy into a dangerous variable, disrupting carefully calibrated therapeutic windows and posing an irreversible threat to patients with chronic conditions. Always consult a healthcare provider before introducing high-dose spice supplements.
3. The acute hypoglycemic risk. Dangerous blood sugar. Both cloves and cinnamon are recognized in traditional medicine for their anti-diabetic properties, but their combined effect can be dangerously potent. Cinnamon's key bioactive compound, cinnamaldehyde, functions as an insulin mimetic by activating insulin receptor sites and promoting the translocation of GLUT4 transporters, thereby facilitating glucose uptake into muscle and fat cells. Cloves, rich in polyphenols, also exhibit alpha-glucosidase inhibitory activity, further slowing down carbohydrate absorption. Research suggests that the in vivo combination of multiple natural hypoglycemic agents can lead to a nonlinear synergistic reduction in plasma glucose. For diabetic patients already managing their condition with exogenous insulin or oral hypoglycemic agents like sulfonylureas, adding high doses of both spices creates a severe risk of an acute, rapid blood sugar drop, or iatrogenic hypoglycemia. Symptoms of this crash range from excessive sweating, tremors, and heart palpitations to seizures and, in sustained severe cases, irreversible brain damage due to lack of adequate glucose supply to the central nervous system.
4. Liver enzyme overload, the cytochrome P450 bottleneck. The potential for liver toxicity stems from the competitive inhibition of the hepatic cytochrome P450 enzyme system, which is critical for drug metabolism and detoxification. The primary toxicants are coumarin, particularly high in cassia cinnamon, a known hepatotoxin metabolized by CYP2A6, and eugenol, the main component of clove oil, which is metabolized by CYP2E1. When high concentrations of both compounds flood the system, they compete for the limited enzymatic capacity of the CYP isoforms, creating a metabolic bottleneck. This competition severely slows down the detoxification rate for many pharmaceutical drugs, including common statins, anti-seizure medications, and blood thinners like warfarin. This impaired hepatic clearance results in elevated, subtoxic, or outright toxic plasma concentrations of the drugs, leading to heightened adverse drug reactions, or conversely, may inhibit the bioactivation of prodrugs, reducing therapeutic efficacy. The potential for acute hepatotoxicity, liver injury, is also magnified due to the sheer metabolic strain imposed by both coumarin and eugenol.
5. Mucosal and gastrointestinal erosion, localized chemical burn. The essential oils in both cloves and cinnamon contain highly potent irritants, eugenol and cinnamaldehyde. Eugenol acts as a corrosive agent at high concentrations, while cinnamaldehyde is a known sensitizer that disrupts epithelial barriers. When consumed together, their combined chemically erosive effect targets the delicate GI mucosa, or lining. This direct attack causes immediate severe burning, inflammation, and esophagitis. Repeated exposure can lead to chronic damage, including gastritis, ulcer exacerbation, and gastrointestinal erosion, significantly worsening overall digestive health due to the sustained corrosive action on the intestinal tissues. The combination of cloves and cinnamon may seem like a simple and harmless act, but scientific evidence has uncovered the severe and potentially irreversible risks hidden behind it. We have observed that the active compounds in these spices, such as coumarin, eugenol, and cinnamaldehyde, do not just cause harm individually, but together they create synergistic toxicity. This combined attack not only paralyzes the liver's natural defense system, the cytochrome P450 bottleneck, but also disrupts the metabolism of life-saving medications, leading to a pharmacological collision. Furthermore, their combined control over sugar can lead to dangerous acute hypoglycemia, while the powerful oils cause a direct chemical burn that can permanently damage the sensitive digestive lining. These 5 scientific warnings deliver a clear message: the dose makes the poison. While moderate use of these spices may be beneficial, excessive or continuous co-consumption can lead to serious consequences. If you are already taking any medication or have liver or blood sugar issues, always consult your physician before starting their use. A simple mistake can create a disturbance in the body's complex chemical balance that may be difficult or impossible to reverse.
Precaution is the best medicine. Don't forget to spread awareness about these critical health risks. Like this video if you found this scientific breakdown helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more crucial health insights and research deep dives. Share this warning with your friends and family to keep them safe. Leave your comments below with any questions or thoughts. Thanks for watching.